gon' change now.
How are you, friends? Today's video will be very fun for you. Today we will know about cinematic filters, and friends, we will know how the image was before and how it is now. Let's start, friends. Select the image you want to edit. After selecting, first you have to go to the light option. And friends, after going to the light option, you have to increase the exposure slightly. Increase it to about 0.20 f2. Okay, now after that you have to reduce the contrast a little, so guys you have to do around -45. Just like I did, friends. After that you have to go to the highlights and you have to increase the highlights a little bit up to about 20. Okay friends, like this. After that you have to reduce the shadow to -6. Then you turn to increase the white of the white to +30. Friends, you have to do black, 10. Friends is looking better now. Friends, you have to go to the color option. After going to colors option, you have to go to mix. Now after going to mix, friends have to select you orange color. After coming in orange color you have to increase its saturation to +45. Okay, then you have to go to the yellow color. After coming to yellow color, you have to increase its saturation to +52. After that we go to blue color. And friends, we also have to increase saturation of blue to +30. So guys, after this is processed, you have to click on Done. Now you have to click on the vignette option. And now you have to increase the texture to +60. Clarity to be increased to +19. That's right. After that you have to de-haz -8. And the vignette you have to -5. Now guys, you have to increase the midpoint and the feather a little bit. Increase plus 55 like this. Now friends, we have to plus 40 the roundness. Now friends, we have to go to sharpening option. Increase sharp to plus 30. Now you have to increase the radius to 1.10, and now you have to increase the detail to 30. Now friends, that's right. Now we have to do the masking by 5. After that, friends, we have to increase the noise reduction to 55. Now we have to increase the contrast to 10. Like this. So friends, we have to increase the color noise just like the contrast. And now we have to leave the details and increase the smoothness to 85, friends. Now friends, after this, check our entire process once again. Now friends, you have to go to the filter option and click on artistic filters. And friends, select 3th filter and increase saturation to 110. And now friends, our image is ready. Now friends, we will check whether the same setting applies to other images as well. Let's see. friends, as you have seen, this setting applies to all images. Friends, please like the video, then subscribe, like, and do not forget to share. BYYYY.